This video is from our fathers, strictly from our fathers. Don't let your son ever see you hit a woman. Don't let your son ever see you talk to your child's mother in a disrespectful manner. This is the beginning of domestic violence. People don't even understand and realize that's a form of domestic violence. And from experience, what we know and what we learn at a young age, a lot of times is who we become. We may not stay that person, but we visit that person. I'm telling you from experience. We visit that person. We might not stay that person, but we visit that person. And we visit that person because that's what we grew up watching. This is from our fathers. So tighten up. Tighten up. That's not your little homie. That's your son. If you love him the way you say you love him, you'll look out for him. If you're not living right and you know you're not living right, don't show him that. Don't let him think it's cool. Let him know this not for you. Let him know the man that you've become. I love y'all, man. Take it from a man who wish he could hold his son and tell him that he love him. Because I didn't get to tell him. So make sure you tell yours. Better yet, make sure you show yours. Respect.